Welcome to one of the most luxurious farm stays in Rajasthan.
This is Sangam Farms, where luxury meets rural elegance. We flew from Mumbai to Udaipur and then took a private transfer for 2 hours to Bhilwara. This is where Sangam Farms is located. It is a car-free property where only tractors and golf carts are permitted. We were welcomed with grace and taken to our luxury tent in a golf cart. We got a blue-colored welcome drink as soon as we checked in, which was so refreshing.
This is our massive luxury tent.
What fascinated me was the automatic toilet seat along with all other amenities that was so well thought of. After settling in, we had our first meal at Soul, a 7 cuisine all-day dining restaurant with a bar. Majority of the food here is farm to table and 100% vegetarian. All of it tastes
Fabulous.
This is not your typical farm stay, it is a lot more experiential than you think. On our first day, we had the option to go biking at sunset. We also visited their dairy farm where we saw the making of their dairy products. This was followed by a sourdough pizza making experience where we made our own pizza with a pesto base with basil grown at the farm. We also checked out other facilities like gym, children play area, paddle court, steam and sauna. Our evening included movie and dinner under the stars experience, which was so special. Given the pleasant weather in November, they also arranged for blankets for us. We got back to our tent to a sweet surprise from the team. It's these little things that go a long way. Our second day at Sangam Farm started with a delicious vegetarian farm-to-table breakfast followed by fish feeding right outside our tent. After this, we went on a farm tour on a tractor, which was so cool.
This is a big bucket list moment for me. I've always wanted to sit on a tractor and we're just doing that now.
Sangam Farms is a family-run property and they also own a textile factory very close to the farm. We got to visit this factory where we literally witnessed thread to final product. This factory focuses on women's clothing, particularly athleisure and undergarments. After the factory visit, we came back to the farm for yet another delicious lunch. Post lunch, I spent some me time in their jacuzzi. For dinner, they curated a Mewar dining experience in the middle of a farm with authentic Rajasthani thali that was all vegetarian. Day 3 was the last day at the farm. We spent the morning exploring more facilities like the spa, pool, and the royal deck, which offers lovely panoramic views of the farm. Also, the game suite where they have telescope for stargazing and some fun games and books for all age groups. Next, we did some ATV ride and visited a strawberry farm and tried some
Fresh strawberries from the farm.
This was followed by our last breakfast with a gorgeous lake view. Before leaving, we also visited the hydroponic farm and the banana plantation. Sangam Farms is
away, just 4 hours from Jaipur at Bhilwara, Rajasthan. Nature meets comfort in their exotic luxury tented suites. This unique getaway is packed with thoughtful amenities including a pool, jacuzzi, pickleball court, spa, farm tours, ATV rides, stargazing, indoor and outdoor activities, gym, yoga sessions, games room, and much more, all in one premise. The dining experience at Soul Restaurant is exceptional. We enjoyed globally inspired farm to table meals that were absolutely delicious. The hospitality here was unparalleled, and the warmth will remain in our hearts forever. Plan your next luxurious
3 दिन की छुट्टियों में स्टेकेशन प्लान कर रहे हो तो आ जाओ संगम फार्म्स। परफेक्ट आइटनरी एंड लोकेशन के लिए वीडियो को एंड तक देखना। डे 1 को आप लग्जरियस टेंट में चेक इन करके रिलैक्स करो। उसके बाद यहाँ पे बने सॉल रेस्टोरेंट में फार्म फ्रेश आइटम्स ट्राई करो जो काफी हेल्दी एंड डिलीशियस है। दिन में आप गेम स्ट्रीट में इंडोर गेम्स खेलो और साइकिल राइड या एटीवी राइड का मजा लो, जिसमें एटीवी राइड में मुझे बहुत मजा आया। इवनिंग में आप सनसेट के साथ कॉफी एंजॉय करो। डिनर आप सॉल रेस्टोरेंट में करो, लेकिन यहाँ का कॉकटेल्स ट्राई करना मत भूलना। और इसी के साथ रैप योर डे 1। डे 2 को आप मॉर्निंग में जिम जाओ और आउटडोर एक्टिविटीज में आप पिकल बॉल खेल सकते हो। फिर ब्रेकफास्ट करके फ्रेशन अप होके यहाँ के कृष्णा टेम्पल जाओ और दिन की शुरुआत करो। यहाँ पे काउ मिल्क प्रोडक्शन भी होता है, जिसमें आप मिल्क, पनीर, बटर मिल्क और घी जैसी प्रोडक्ट परचेज कर सकते हो। साथ में ही यहाँ पे पॉली हाउसेज बने हुए हैं, जिसकी फार्मिंग टेक्निक्स देख के काफी कुछ जानने को मिलेगा। लंच के बाद आप यहाँ की इंफिनिटी पूल में एंजॉय करो और सनसेट के साथ जैकू जैकुजी और हाई टी का मजा लो। फिर यहाँ पे बने पॉन्ड में फिश फीडिंग करो जो काफी पीसफुल वाइब देता है। डिनर के बाद इंडोर गेम्स के साथ रैप योर डे 2। डे 3 को आप मॉर्निंग में ब्रेकफास्ट करो और से बाय बाय टू संगम फार्म्स। संगम फार्म्स लोकेटेड है राजस्थान के भीलवाड़ा में, जो उदयपुर से सिर्फ 150 किलोमीटर की दूरी पे है। लेकिन ये जगह अपनी हॉस्पिटैलिटी एंड फूड क्वालिटी की वजह से मेरी पर्सनल फेवरेट बन गई है।